My emfa with that chintin fan to us on Famao. Nasser de be a canon. We a your black went to a more foot near more disian cacra, yangina, you see an cacra cry. Yan can't travel Yansu ya catcher ya hobby, so what I say, into young one year 2 for Yansu a foot in your TB. Now and then ye didn't potoka say, where there is no vision, the people perish. Where there is no vision, the people perish. Mamenka vision is in where there is no vision. Where there is no vision, sending the United States good. Where there is no vision, the people perish. The people perish. Babia. And it does so. Babia. See a DBB see and is sending a person and sakani. Any no. Any pana or honor. Ubia ya diope. Omo yirankasa. Abrabona obon one for Bibian fancy when it's say 2, 3, 4 years to come. This is what I want to get. But in life, there are 2 things. You can't do away with them. 1, your vision. 2, your dream. Listen, your vision, dream, mission. Vision, dream, mission. If you know, statement or mission statement or whatever. Send a person who put in the BR. And I was said to be enya vision. Now the mission naka ho. So what I say? Enti I was said to me nya vision. Now the mission aka ho. So the vision and the mission coupled with the dream. E betimi ama onsa kan bibi papa bi. O sorry anopai se wan fa bibi amfa nsi wani so. Se onwunu ndwo no ne me pese me nsa kanie. Now the odia se wada sorry. Enipa nyina nyame a omadom nyina da sore na nyina won so ada sore bi na won so namu onni bibia wo de asi wani so sade me pese me nsa kani a you will perish obeyira eba ne sa na kwakwa ese entete wo hwe oni vision oni dream oni any aspirations bia eninti emframa bo a baabia emframa no pese ode ne fa no eho no mo na wo fa anopa bibisa wo ahobrase kwan so se wo no onam fofo anase onipa bia tumi ba etimi de wo fa ba bia wo pa na unsi obi wonu ma wada sori yi enam se woni vision onu akasa ni mission wasase so woni mnia wo hwehwe wasase so enti no oda sori ye no na damfo bia ba ne nchen se omyempie ni nkonkonom kakra oni mission ni vision ni dream bia enti no o sori ya no odina damfo na chi okonom kakra onyunu aboro se tam adentia oni anisuade hunu bia but se wo anisuade hunu a anopai o sorry ye no the first point of call will be say you will see to it say you are working towards the vision intanopai o ye onipa de sani nko ade a me say wo se wunya vision e wo se wunya mission. And then it will couple with a dream. Nya wo hwehwe bia no onsa beka. Awurade nka wo ho. Na do mo no so mfa ma wo. Nanya mission, vision, any dream. Se na be ya wo da sorry bia na you work towards it. Na tumi abam. Eya me ka che se se onyunu no wo kwakoda. Wo da wo kete so no. Eya bisa wo se intimi so ade e chen me ne ebnada 12 April 2022. Edin na me de mabrabo ye ya masan ba bedai odwendwendwendwen ho a ebeboa wo se uhunu se efitia no pa no kosi anwumre no wanye bibia de mfaso be ba wabrabo so a you have wasted that day into wose wunya vision mission and you back it with your dream and trust me God will never ever leave you nor forsake you. Nana don't be so the amount. Everybody can ho.
Ooh, ahenkan 93.3 FM, the best in the East. Yawo achim abuabo.